All right, my name is Chris Campbell. I'm a practicing CPA, and I work with small businesses and individuals to help them pay the least amount of taxes possible while keeping them out of jail. So today, wanted to talk real quick about business taxes and filing on time, or when you file late. So I run into this often enough where said entrepreneur, they open up a business, they do the LLC or the S-corporation thing, they create a partnership, LLC partnership. So they file the paperwork, they get up and running, and if it's their first time doing it, they're not quite aware of the filing deadline, and they think that all the taxes are due the traditional April 15th, right? The April 15th date has been burned in our heads since the beginning of time. But if you have a company, specifically if you have a partnership, an LLC with multiple owners, which is treated as a partnership, or if you do the S-corporation, the filing deadline for that is March 15th and not April 15th. So what I see happen is sometimes folks don't know that, and then they get to the table too late when it's time to file. So you go ahead and you file the return, but the IRS can be pretty harsh about late filing business taxes. The penalties for filing late on those can be a couple $1,000s. So if you do find yourself in that position and you file late and you're looking at these $1,000 fines, the IRS does offer, and I've seen this, they'll give you a pass. They'll give you a one-time pass for filing late. It's usually just one time, but that usually is, I haven't really seen it as a rule. It's one of those unwritten rules. So I recently went through this with a client where I submitted the letter. I knew it was late. I knew it was going to come. So tried to head it off with a pass, send in a letter asking for the one-time pass. Didn't seem to work out on the letter side, but you just have to give them a call and get on the phone and explain the situation. 9 times out of 10, especially if it's your first time filing return for that company, they'll understand and they'll give you a pass. But understand, it's a one-time pass, and they do record it. If you come to the table next year or a couple years later and look for the same thing, they'll have a record of it, and you won't get that pass. So understand that it's a one-time thing. It's not something to rely on a constant basis. Quick tip: so if you find yourself filing late and you find yourself getting a penalty mail for filing late, just pick up the phone, give them a call, explain the situation. Again, you get one pass. So that's all for now. So if you have any more questions about this particular topic or any other tax, accounting, or finance, business related questions, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to help. All right, that's all for now. I'll see you in the next one.